Good morning, people! For today's video, I'll show you a simple tip on how to fold your towels para dili makagubot atong closet or drawers or para organize na naon ng atong mga gamit. Ang towel akong gamiton karon kay towel ni sa akong dog nga si Shadrach. As you can see, nag-apil-apil siya sa video. So, inani ra guys. First, fold the towel in half. Second, fold it diagonally into a triangle. Then fold the triangle again until both ends meet. Mura na siyang envelope tanawon. After that, roll it tightly from one end to the other. Lastly, isuksok ang tumoy sa gamay nga packet nga nahimo para dili siya mabungkag. See? Limpyo tan-awon, space saver pa gyud ug mas organized ang imong closet or drawer. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow for more simple tips and life hacks. God bless.